Kylie inspired look. If you guys are interested in how I got this look, then keep on watching. So I already primed my face, but I just wanted to share you guys my favorite foundation right now. It is the Bobbi Brown Skin Foundation, and it actually has SPF 15, which is perfect for this time of year right now. Breaking out right now, so I'm just gonna use a couple more pumps than I usually do. I'm probably just gonna speed this face stuff up just because you guys have already seen me do a full face. So I'll just show you the products I'm using and then I'll go into the eyeshadow once that's done. Because we were doing a Kylie look, I was going to use some of her cosmetics, so I'm using the Cocoa Collection palette for the blush. Blend that out. Now for the eyebrows, I'm actually going to be using the e.l.f. eyebrow kit. I did try to film a all drugstore makeup, but it didn't work out too well, so I'm not doing that anymore, but I did really like this product. I'm going to use the gel color. This is in the shade Dark. And I'm just taking this Anastasia Beverly Hills brush. I couldn't tell you what it is because it's rubbed off, but I know it's Anastasia. It's just kind of like a dark brown, which I like. I don't really like the like grayish black anymore, which is what I used to use all the time. But when I used this the other day, I was like shook. especially because it's only like, I want to say $5. So yeah, I really like it. It's almost like a pomade in a way. Also, I'm filming with a new setup right now, so I was debating on like zooming in. So if you guys would want me to maybe zoom in when I'm doing this, let me know in the comments of this video to see if I should zoom in for the next one. For the primer, and then also to kind of clean up my brows, I'm going to be taking the NARS Soft Matte Concealer in the shade Vanilla, and I'm using this Morphe brush, M432. It's just like a flat, kind of like a carver brush, and I'm just going to take that underneath my brow and on my eyelid. I'm really trying not to be so awkward on camera anymore. The first video and like the second video were so awkward to me because I'm not like that in real life, like at all. Like I'm so much more like outgoing, so I'm really trying to have like my personality come through. It's just really hard because I'm just like talking to myself. I'm just very new to this, so I'm sorry if it's like boring. Take my beauty blender and just whatever is on it, just kind of pat that out a little. Okay, so now that our base is done, I'm going to be taking the Morphe 24G palette. I'm not sure if this is still available. I don't know. I don't know what's online and what's in the stores anymore. So I'm going to be taking this though because it does have like this hot pink in it. I'm assuming she used her birthday palette because that is the one that has like that hot pink in it. But this is what I'm gonna take, and it honestly just looks like this is just a one shadow look. I might do a little something in the inner corner or something just to make it a little different and make it like more interesting than just one color. I'm gonna take that with this BH Cosmetics brush. It's kind of like a blending brush, but it's also kind of like a packer brush, so it's kind of gonna do both, hopefully. I'm just gonna take that pink shade all on the brush. Out with lighter shades just to try to make it look a little better. It'll look better with eyelashes too. Keep that in mind. Now I'm gonna take this Morphe M433 brush and I'm gonna take this shade right here and just try to blend that out just to make it a little more wearable. Color. So I'm actually also going to put this hot pink right there. This is the Huda Beauty Rose Gold Palette Remastered. I'm actually going to take that color as well, just to try to make it a little bit more like Kylie's look, because this is probably more of like a pink like this. For some reason I didn't know that I had another pink shade. I like this one better. We're just gonna pretend that we didn't use the first one. Just pretend, use your imagination. I'll still take that brown shade in the other palette though. That like cream shade. Just to blow that out. I might even take a little bit of the setting powder that I used and kind of use this to blend it even more too. Just so it's a little bit more like blended with my skin tone. Fun fact, I used to wear pink eyeshadow all the time. I had like a phase in middle school, I think. If I could find a picture, I might insert it. but yeah. I used to wear it all the time. And nothing else. Just like hot pink shadow and then like mascara. That was it. That was like my vibe. Alright, so now I'm just gonna take this little pencil brush and take that hot pink shade again and run it kind of underneath your eyes. I never really do this, to be completely honest, because I'm lazy, but this is what Kylie did, so I'm just gonna do that real quick. Alright, so it's basically I look crazy. Alright, and I'm just gonna take this big fluffy brush and kind of brush under my eyes if I have any follow. I'm just gonna take some translucent powder and put it underneath my eyes just to make sure there's no like fallout anywhere. And in the look she has like a slight wing, nothing crazy. I suck at doing eyeliner, so bear with me. We're gonna try to make them similar. It might be a little rough, but we're gonna try. I'm using the NYX Epic Ink Liner. So we're gonna try to show you. It's gonna be hard because I can barely do this myself, but we're gonna try to do it. Now we have to see if I can match it. That's going to be hard. Can't wait. It actually doesn't look too bad. I think this one's a little bit lower down, but you know, what are you gonna do? You know that one meme where like you do winged eyeliner and then you like try to correct it and it's like overcompensating and then you end up having like the thickest eyeliner ever? That's me right now. We're just gonna stop and put on our eyelashes, pretend they look the same and that they look like Kylie's even though I don't think they do. It's fine. It's fine. So cute. This is perfect. This is exactly what I wanted. We're just gonna pretend nothing happened. Okay, so for the lashes, I'm gonna be taking these honestly, I don't even remember where I got these. I'm assuming Lashfully Yours is a brand, but these are like my favorite ones right now. See how much better it looks with the lashes? See? I knew it. I'm just gonna take this lower lash mascara and kind of blend my lashes with the fake one. Alright, and then I'm just gonna take the lower lash mascara and put it on my lower lashes. Alright, I just went in and kind of connected the eyeliner to everything. I think it looks actually really cute. I'm just gonna take that blush again. Just kind of make it a little darker. This is really out of my comfort zone now. Like I don't wear color at all anymore. The most color I use is like orange because it's like bronze, but I never really wear bright colors. Blend that out a little more. And then I'm gonna use my Urban Decay setting spray. And then for my highlighter, I'm gonna be taking the Kylie Cosmetics highlighter. Okay. In the shade French Vanilla with my Morphe M510 brush. And I'm just gonna blend that out. And then for lips, I'm sure she probably used her own lip product, but I don't really like matte lips on me. So I'm just gonna take this Grande Lips lip gloss in the shade Sunbaked Sedona. It's kind of a similar shade to what she had, so it works. Alright, so this is the finished look. It's completely out of my comfort zone, but I thought it would be fun to do because I really liked the look on her and I thought it'd be interesting to remake it. So that's everything. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.